Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I'm originally from Quebec and right now as we speak, there's a great event taking place. It's Sugar Shacks. This is a foodie destination. There are so many delicious recipes made with maple syrup. I think of Grand-Père, which are maple syrup dumplings, baked beans, butter tarts, and many others, including this one, maple syrup frosting. Super easy to make. This icing is an amazing change for your baked goods. It's definitely a great recipe to have. So let's get cooking. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add 1 stick of unsalted butter and then fleur de sel, just a little pinch. With the paddle attachment, we'll whip the butter on high speed for 4 minutes. A few minutes later, working in batches, we'll add about half a cup of confectioner's sugar, followed by 2 tablespoons of maple sugar, which can be found online or any specialty store. We'll mix on medium-low until blended, and yes, it will take a little while. We'll repeat again with the same amount, which is half a cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of maple sugar. Then mix again. We'll have to stop often to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl so the ingredients blend better. That's the trick. All right? Eventually, the mixture will get very, very dry. And this is when we add about half of the maple syrup. Not table syrup, that's not the real stuff. And blend for a few seconds before adding more confectioner's sugar and maple sugar. When we're almost done, we'll add the remaining ingredients, which are both sugars, the other half of the maple syrup, and also some pure vanilla extract, although you can substitute with maple extract. We'll blend the ingredients for the last time, and please, let's not forget to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl. It's important to do that so everything is nicely blended in a mixture and nothing is stuck. We'll mix once again, and voila! We're done. And my friends, this is our maple syrup frosting. Delightful and delicious, this butter icing is perfect for your baked goods. It's another great recipe to have on hand this spring, just in time for Sugar Shack and Easter. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!